Hi, so I'm going to talk about I-bonds. I have recommended them to clients. I've written about them on my website, but it's time to do a quick update because I'm receiving a lot of questions about them with the recent spike in inflation. So I-bonds are Series I savings bonds, and they're part of the U.S. Treasury's saving bond program. So they're considered low-risk investments. And there's two components to them. There's the fixed component, which is a fixed rate that carries throughout the life of the bond. And there's the inflation component, which is a variable rate. It's adjusted twice a year every 6 months. At the moment, I bonds being issued through April 2022 have a fixed rate of zero, but the inflation component is 7.12% annualized, and that's the highest it's been in over 2 decades. So, if you're looking for a savings vehicle that can protect your principal and maintain your purchasing power, you might consider I bonds. Just to give you an idea, Ally's money market rate at this moment is earning 0.5%, and their high yield 5-year CD has an APY of 1%. So I-bonds will earn interest for 30 years, but you can access your money before that with some limitations. So for the first year, first 12 months, you cannot sell the bond. So don't take money that you might need within the year and buy an I-bond. For years 1 through 5, you can redeem the bond, but you'll lose previous 3 months of interest if you do that. And then after 5 years, you can redeem the bond and get the current value. So if you bought an electronic I bond, you would log on to Treasury Direct and you would look at the current holdings tab, and that would show the current value of the bond that you hold. And just know that I bonds are not marketable, so you can't buy and sell them on a secondary securities market. And there's limits in how much you can buy. So for the most part, you can buy $10,000 of an I bond per social security number per calendar year. Despite those drawbacks, it still might be a good fit for you. So check out Treasury Direct's website. There's a lot of information there, and reach out with questions.